Whipping up a classic Caesar salad. Whipping up a classic Caesar salad is a refreshing way to enjoy a light and crisp meal. You will need 1 head of romaine lettuce, 100 grams of croutons, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 boiled eggs, and Caesar dressing. Start by washing the romaine lettuce thoroughly and patting it dry with a clean kitchen towel. Tear the lettuce into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Prepare the Caesar dressing by mixing together mayonnaise, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, anchovy paste, salt, and pepper. Whisk the ingredients well until the dressing is smooth and creamy. Add the croutons and grated Parmesan cheese to the bowl with the lettuce. Drizzle the Caesar dressing over the salad and toss well to coat the lettuce, croutons, and cheese evenly with the dressing. Slice the boiled eggs into quarters and arrange them on top of the salad. Serve the classic Caesar salad immediately and enjoy the delightful combination of crisp lettuce, crunchy croutons, creamy dressing, and rich eggs.